Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at converting regular code, what some might call procedural code, to object-oriented programming. So we're going to convert what we have on the right-hand side here into the object-oriented paradigm, or also called object-oriented design. So quick recap, what we have on the left is what we left off in our last video. I made a few minor changes. We just are starting to use dictionaries. This is the weather data that I did in the last video where we read to a CSV file, we write to a CSV file, and append from a CSV file. So I just wanted to give a quick update, let you see the changes in the code if you're following along. Nothing really big here other than now it uses dictionaries. Everything is reading from dictionaries. Whereas in the past, we were using a mixture of dictionary and list. Now everything is using a dictionary. But if you're here just to learn a little bit about converting methods to object-oriented programming, let's get into that right now. So all of these just used a little bit of dictionary CSV libraries. But the way we convert this on the right to some object-oriented paradigm is pretty simple. And then we'll go over kind of the benefits of doing your code this way. So here we define a class. I'm going to call this my weather data manager because this is going to work with my methods right here, right? So not much has changed. All we have here is that one usage of weather data, and then we add these, and then we tab it over so it nests it underneath our class here. And now they're a part of this class. And then to use this class, all we need to do is write this code down here. We create the object. So here, just like we create regular data variables, we're going to create a variable that's going to have this weather data manager capability. So we create a variable of this data type, weather data manager. It becomes a data type. And then we have the ability to run these methods. But the added advantage of that will become immediately obvious when we start adding data to these objects. Each object will have its own data. But for now, I'm just trying to break down and outline the big picture, how we would use this data. So let's read some CSV data. So we're going to call this method right here, we're going to call the read from CSV method, and then we're going to use weather data.csv. And then let's print the data. You'll notice here it says this may be static. That little error is just telling me I haven't really used the object-oriented paradigm yet. When we build a constructor, that's when we get into really the power of object-oriented programming. But this is just a basic setup of it. Next video we're going to go over the constructor, and we're going to start really leveraging the power of object-oriented programming, where you can create multiple objects. Each of them have their own data associated with it. So this WDM, I could perhaps create something, multiple of these, and one works with one file, and you have your weather data CSV, and maybe I have another WDM object here, weather data manager object, which works with another file. And we'll get into the specifics of that in just a minute. But that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.